Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Ready to take your crafting space to the next level? In today's video, we're delving into the realm of comfort and functionality as we uncover the best shop stools on the market. From ergonomic designs to durable builds, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for the inside scoop on the perfect shop stool that'll make your workspace the envy of every DIY enthusiast. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. DeWalt 41562 Dexta 025 Adjustable Shop Stool. Aside from one, DeWalt stands out as another highly renowned brand in the realm of power tools. Remarkably, DeWalt extends its expertise to include a selection of shop stools that rival its power tool offerings. The DeWalt Rolling Shop Stool secures the second spot on our list, boasting impressive adjustability and durability. DeWalt incorporates a robust hydraulic piston into this shop stool, allowing users to seamlessly adjust the seat height from 22.5 inches to 26.75 inches. Adhering to DeWalt's renowned commitment to sturdy craftsmanship, this rolling shop stool confidently upholds an impressive weight capacity of 300 pounds. In line with the standards of a premium shop stool, it not only excels in build quality but also provides users with a reassuring 2-year warranty for peace of mind. Although the price tag is roughly 3 times that of our top pick, it remains a fraction of the splurge, appealing to those who prioritize the blend of quality and affordability in their purchasing decisions. Ultimately, the perceived value may vary, depending on individual brand preferences. Pros: great height adjustment range, durable and sturdy steel frame, 360-degree swivel design, 2-year-long warranty. Cons: premium and expensive shop stool. Number 2. WorkPro Heavy-Duty Hydraulic Stool. Distinguishing itself from the other entries on the list, the WorkPro heavy-duty stool is tailored for those tasks requiring hands-on attention, particularly when working on components at your workbench. Encouraging an active approach to projects, this stool acknowledges that certain tasks benefit from removing parts for closer inspection. The adjustable design of the heavy-duty stool, ranging from 29 to 34 inches, is facilitated by a hydraulic cylinder, ensuring swift and effortless height adjustments. This stands in stark contrast to cumbersome stools with threaded adjusters that demand minutes of spinning for a mere inch of lift. In contrast to pricier options featuring prominent branding, this stool offers excellent value without sacrificing performance. Priced significantly lower than those emblazoned with Denver Packers figures or Shelby Cobra motifs, it caters to those who prioritize functionality over flashy logos. Consider gifting one of these to your favorite carburetor rebuilder, and you're sure to receive gratitude for choosing a stool that combines practicality with affordability. Number 3. Ktoner Round Rolling Shop Stool. For those in search of budget-friendly rolling shop stools that still deliver a serviceable solution for their workshop needs, Ktoner emerges as a viable option. Positioned as an entry-level model, this rolling shop stool from Ktoner caters to buyers with budget constraints while providing a commendable product. Considering its affordability, the height range of 19.3 inches to 25.2 inches competes favorably with other options in the same price range. Nevertheless, it's worth noting that the weight capacity of 250 pounds falls below some counterparts, raising expectations for enhanced durability. Despite this, the stool boasts a robust metal construction and comes with a respectable 6-month warranty, ensuring a reliable build quality. Notably, the seat cushion is generously thick and comfortable, a crucial factor for those spending extended periods on such stools during work. Additionally, the relatively small wheels hinder effortless mobility around the garage, making it less favorable for those who prioritize easy maneuverability. In essence, the Ktoner Rolling Shop Stool presents an economical choice with decent features, catering to budget-conscious buyers seeking a balance between affordability and functionality. Number 4. ANTL Adjustable Rolling Shop Stool. Consider ANTL and its rolling shop stool as a compelling option if you're in the market for a tall stool with robust weight-bearing capabilities, ensuring suitability for users of varying sizes. Topping the charts in terms of durability, the ANTL Rolling Shop Stool stands out as the most heavy-duty choice in this discussion. Its height adjustment range spans from 25 inches to 28.3 inches, facilitated by a heavy-duty hydraulic piston, providing versatile seating options. What sets this stool apart is its impressive weight capacity of 400 pounds, accommodating a broad range of users with ease. Positioned as a premium choice, the ANTL Rolling Shop Stool guarantees a sturdy build quality, coupled with a generous 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. The seat cushion, crafted from PVC and flexible cotton, not only enhances comfort but also proves easy to maintain and clean. In summary, the ANTL Rolling Shop Stool emerges as a top-tier option, blending height, weight capacity, and comfort, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a premium and versatile seating solution. Pros: heavy-duty shop stool. Very high weight capacity. Decent warranty period. Cons: a bit on the expensive side. Number 5. Carry adjustable heavy-duty rolling shop stool. While Carry and its lineup of shop stools may not enjoy the same level of popularity as other well-known brands, it certainly delivers when it comes to heavy-duty seating solutions. One such noteworthy mention in this article is the Carry rolling shop stool, claiming the third position on our list and distinguishing itself as the tallest among the stools featured here. Boasting a remarkable height adjustment range from 22 inches to 30 inches, this shop stool stands out in the realm of elevated seating options. Surprisingly, despite its towering height, the Carry rolling shop stool maintains a commendable weight capacity of 300 pounds, although Carry ensures a decent build quality in this stool. It's worth noting that the accompanying 1-year warranty falls slightly short compared to other available options. Nevertheless, the heavy-duty construction of this stool is evident, featuring a reinforced 5-legged aluminum base for robust support and stability, further emphasizing its commitment to safety. The Carry rolling shop stool undergoes SGS testing and certification, ensuring a secure and smooth operating experience.